talk about a video I probably should have uploaded a long time ago. And it's what everyone has been asking for whenever they get a new Charger, Challenger, RT, SRT, Hellcat. That is the removal of the mid-mufflers. I didn't remove my resonators. I kept them the same. I just did a snip on two big pieces of metal that were pretty much in the middle of the vehicle. And I have a couple clips I wanted to show you on exactly what they did, how they did it, and it's a pretty cool experience to see them work with the welding. Very professional people. Would highly recommend for anything else that you need done on your car as far as that goes. Without further ado, let me go ahead and launch the clips.
One side, then do the other side.
No, I'm saying I should have cut here first. I thought it was going to move so much.
Well, you can hold it.
Let's just take it out.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
You got a hanger here and a hanger there.
Yeah,
and you got this electronic connection you're going to have to undo.
You're not going to be able to hold it above your head still enough for me to cut it.
Yeah, it's going to bounce around way too much. Yeah, you're good, Robert. You can burn it in.
I got to do the other end.
That's good.
As far as you know, yeah, the car sounds amazing now. Big head turner. You can hear the difference. It's a pretty cool thing. Highly recommend. It's not as drony as I thought it would be. I mean, probably when you get around 70 miles an hour when you're on the highway, yeah, you get to hear the loudness. You know, it's kind of open the whole time. But as far as like cruising, as you can tell now, it's not that bad. Not from what it originally was before. Before it was kind of quiet. Now you get it pop and a growl sound every now and then shifting down. It's pretty cool. Definitely head turner. Oh yeah. Wanted to show you guys the Demon out here in person. It looks amazing. I've never seen one in person until today. Wow. Sticker price shows for $94,000. It's actually pretty reasonable. That's way better than what I've been seeing around the internet. People selling them for 140K markup. That's ridiculous. Also wanted to show you guys a couple of Hellcats. Let's check it out.
I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. There's a universe inside you. There's a universe inside you. So much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you. So much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the hype.
That's a nice Hellcat. Surprise, surprise. Before I came to see the Demon, I see this SRT Dodge Charger 13. That is interesting right there. Wheel lock. Oh yeah. It's SRT8. Can't go wrong with that. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. What grows on me? Personally, I would have wrapped it. Maybe. I don't know. Well, I get used to that. Oh yeah, I can get used to that. Woo. There's that F8 green everyone keeps talking about. Not a bad color, person. Looks better on camera though, honestly. But that is it, guys. Just wanted to give you some insight on what the car and what has been done so far. I really hope you enjoyed the video. But if you want to message me personally, you can always hit me up on my Instagram. Anytime you like, I'm always there. I respond pretty much 100% of the time. I'm not a bad guy. I really like everyone. I like my fans. Like 3 or 4 fans. It's a great feeling when you get people who, you know, always ask you, hey man, when's the next video coming out? Really cool feeling. Like I said, like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.